We recently visited Kukke Subramanya. It's a temple town and located very close to Mangalore, and it has a really scenic drive from Bangalore. The drive is beautiful, and you have to cross towns like Sakleshpur, Hassan before you reach Subramanya. As we take you through the 3 days we spent there, a like and subscribe to the channel and this video will be really helpful.
आगे चलिए
भयंकर
and us is other this one.
So in RNS 1, this is our room 407. Let's take you inside. We have already occupied it. Yeah. Here's our luggage. A small wardrobe here. And we already have a guest. And so we had a guest who was helping us set up the TV. And here we have a small wardrobe for our stuff. We rarely use this because we have only this much as our luggage, which is very rare. And then yes, this is the room. It's spacious. This is the deluxe room that we had opted for. Bed is king size platform bed. Nice, cozy. Looks like a spring mattress here. Yes, it is. And here is what you call a balcony with a view. And yes, let me guide you out. Yes, so this is our own private balcony with a view to behold. So I think tomorrow we'll be able to see the sunset from here. This is the west, and I believe somewhere there is the sun setting. Second day we got up early and we went to take a holy dip in Kumardhara. It is customary to take a holy dip in Kumardhara before you perform the Sarv Sanskar Puja. We had to reach the temple by 7:30 to collect our tickets, which we had booked online. However, you can also get the tickets offline over there. Make sure that you seize every opportunity to take some selfie shots over there. You are not supposed to enter the main temple after the Sarv Sanskar Puja starts. So if you wish, you can visit it before the puja starts. Then visit the Adi Subramanya temple and then proceed to the place where you are supposed to perform the Sarv Sanskar Puja. It's a big hall with numbers written everywhere across the floor, and you have to be seated according to the number which is mentioned on your ticket.
मंदिर उधर है, अभी जहाँ पे हम लोग पूजा किए थे वो इधर. हाँ एग्जैक्टली राइट. यहाँ नहीं, उस पार. आप क्यों कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं? ये मंदिर है और ये वो सुब्रमण्य आदि सुब्रमण्य टेम्पल ये है. उस साइड में
अनघा लॉज हो रहा है.
उस साइड में हम लोग पूजा किए थे.
अनघा लॉज है.
पार करके उधर में वहाँ पे खाने को मिलेगा. देखिए लोग लाइन खड़े हैं. नहीं अभी खाना अगर मिलेगा तो खड़ा खड़े, नहीं मिलेगा तो मत खड़ा खड़े.
अरे क्या खड़ा खड़े?
नहीं खड़े प्लीज.
खड़ा है.
अच्छा गार्डन में नीचे उतार मत जाइएगा.
गाड़ी समेत तो
लग तो रहा है वैसे ही आपकी मंशा. देखिए लोग लाइन लगाए हुए हैं खाने के लिए. लाइन लगाने चले.
During the 2 days of puja, you are not supposed to have any food from outside. The temple provides you breakfast, lunch, and an early dinner. Puja starts early on the second day by around 5, and after the end of the puja, you are supposed to have a dip in this small pond. The last leg of the puja is the Nag Pratishtha, which happens on the second day and happens within the premises of the main temple. This starts by around 12 noon and finishes off by 1. Once the puja got over, it was time to explore the place around. It's a quaint little place with greenery everywhere.
हाँ
This is far from the noise of the cities that we dwell in. This is a town which is built on the beliefs of people, the submission of oneself to the divine being.